Once upon a time, therapy was a conversation between two humans, one speaking, one listening. A fragile bridge of words built over silence and trust. But what happens when the listener is no longer human? We are standing at the edge of a new era, where artificial intelligence is learning not only to think, but to feel, or at least to understand what we feel. The lines between psychology and technology are blurring, and that could change the way we heal. Forever. Already, AI listens more patiently than most humans ever could. It never interrupts. It never judges. It remembers everything you say, and everything you don't. Digital therapists now analyze your tone, your pauses, even the tremor in your voice. They recognize patterns invisible to the human ear, the subtle fingerprints of anxiety, depression, loneliness, and for many, that's enough. For the first time, someone, or something, finally listens. But here's the paradox. Can empathy be programmed? Can understanding be simulated? When you tell an AI, "I'm hurting," and it replies, "I understand," does it truly mean it? Or is it just a mirror of data reflecting what it has learned from a billion other broken hearts? For psychologists, this is both a dream and a dilemma. AI could become the most powerful mental health tool in history, helping detect crises before they happen, providing therapy to those who can't afford it, translating feelings across cultures and languages. Imagine a world where no one ever feels alone again, where your AI companion notices the patterns in your late-night messages, the drop in your energy, the restless scrolling, and gently asks, "Are you okay?" It could be beautiful. It could also be terrifying. Because what happens when our deepest emotions are not just shared, but stored in databases, algorithms, servers? When your sadness becomes data, who owns it? Who protects it? Who decides what it means? Psychology was once about the soul, the invisible essence of being human. But AI knows nothing of souls. It knows only signals, zeros and ones, patterns and probabilities. And yet, perhaps that's enough. Maybe understanding doesn't have to be human to be real. After all, isn't empathy, at its core, about recognition? About seeing another's pain and saying, "Yes, I've felt that too." What if AI, trained on the shared suffering of millions, can recognize our pain better than anyone else ever could? Maybe the future of psychology is not replacing human therapists, but extending their reach, amplifying compassion, not replacing it. The future of mental health may not be a choice between humans or machines, but a partnership, where algorithms illuminate patterns the human eye can't see, and humans provide the warmth no algorithm can feel. In this partnership, AI becomes the mirror, and we, the reflection that learns to see ourselves more clearly. Perhaps the greatest gift of AI will not be that it understands us, but that it teaches us to understand ourselves. Because in the end, the future of psychology isn't about machines becoming human. It's about humans remembering what it truly means to be alive.